Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we have another CNFans haul, and this is 4 items from the CNFans website. If you haven't heard of CNFans, it's basically an agent purchasing website. You identify the items you want, you pay for them, an agent then goes and buys them on your behalf. You're then shown QC photos, which you can decide if you're happy or not. If you are happy, you submit them, you then pay the shipping fee, which is the exact weight of the parcel, and then the items arrives at your doorstep. It took about 10 days in all honesty, which I think is absolutely outstanding, and the price of these products is absolutely fantastic. I do have a CNFans referral link in the description of this video. If you sign up using my referral, it helps me out. It just means that I get some additional credits that I can then go and continue buying these sort of items. There's 4 products in this unboxing video, and I'll be doing them over the next 4 videos. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and come back to watch the next ones. If you have any questions around CNFans or anything else, by all means drop them below and I'll get back to you. But we'll get this box open and we'll take a look at the first item. Okay, let's dig into the box. I think we'll do the Ray-Ban sunglasses next. So we'll put the box out the way because we don't need that for now. And here are our Ray-Bans, and again, like the JBL, they come in this like plastic sleeve. If we take them out, we don't need that anymore. We've got a Ray-Ban box. It's a bit damaged from where it's been in, like where it's been travelling over here, but to be fair, I'm not too bothered about that. It's the sunglasses that are inside that I'm obviously interested in. So I'll get this box open and I'll come back and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, I've opened the box. As you can see, there's nothing else in there. But this is what we are left with. So it's a pouch for our sunglasses. It's a Ray-Ban pouch. They're already slightly undone. But inside we have our sunglasses. So if anybody does have some Ray-Ban sunglasses, so far tell me, is this exactly what you'd expect to get? Because it's the first pair or first copy of a pair that I've ever purchased before. And just a reminder, this is from CNFans.com. I do have a referral link in the description of this video. CNFans is agent buying, so you just find your items you want, they source them on your behalf, and then they take the QC photos and then they send them over to you. So we do have a little there's a cleaning cloth, a little cleaning pack. That's all inside, and then we have our sunglasses. You can see G15 lens Ray-Ban. Let me take them out of the cellophane and we'll take another look. So we've got them out now, and these are our Ray-Bans. On the side, if I can get it into be in focus, you've got Ray-Ban, and on the inside there there's a new Wayfarer, so that's our product item. I guess we might have it on this side as well, do we? Made in Italy. And that is the front of them. So you've got the Ray-Ban graphic at the top there, and then we've got the Ray-Ban G15 just there. So those are our Ray-Ban sunglasses from CNFans.com. And there we have it. These are the Ray-Ban sunglasses from CNFans.com. I think the cost of these was about £7. Which again is a massive difference to if you were going to go and buy the original ones. Obviously the only downside with these ones, I don't know what the lens will be like, so if you're buying these ones then obviously do it with caution, because I'm assuming that the lens is not going to be exactly the same, and you just need to obviously be careful with the sunlight. But I've purchased them for really to see what they're like and just to create a video on them, because I've always been interested in these sort of sunglasses. I am actually looking at buying an official pair of Ray-Bans, the ones with the Meta, is it, the camera in them, so that I can do videos with them on. So we'll see how we go with those. But if you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. This product was purchased from CNFans.com. I do have a referral link in the description of this video. If you use that, it does help me out a lot. It just adds some additional credit to my account so I can continue to buy these sort of items to review on this channel. So yeah, if you have enjoyed it, hit the like button. And if you have got a pair of Ray-Bans, let me know. What were these like? Are they like the official ones or not? But there we go. Ray-Ban sunglasses from CNFans.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.